Again, so this is labas mo na lang para usually kami, kapkabaan, mali na makan. Halukatan dyan, sing-sing. Sige, anyway, good morning. Before we proceed, na-check ko ato yan. Usually kami ito problema may, lokal. Usually ito problema may, sa sobrang haba, yung middle name, jay takang inang, iba, nagrigat pa, pasukat, yung marriage certificate. At least na-check yung kaya. Sige. Greetings, we are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige po, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? At ako mga trating ang wedding. No awan, let us proceed. Pwede kang natuwan. Talon tayo na po kayo dalawa. Ana Teresa, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Yes. Isama ka po. Okay. Carlo, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes, Mayor.
O kayong dalawa. You take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed.
Yes, Mayor.
Okay. Carlo, will you have Ana Teresa to be your wife? To live together in marriage, will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking on others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, Mayor.
O Ana Teresa, will you have Carlo to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking on others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Okay. Sing-sing, pakikuha na. Follow after me, Carlo. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
and with all of what I am,
all that I have,
all of that
I honor you.
I honor you.
Okay, suot mo. Ana Teresa, kasimit lang. Follow after me. Bagam niya bagak. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Yan. Yes. Left. Malapit sa puso. At tataman, sumama kay Tikininang, alamat payo ng ginuwisyo diyag kasal. Sige.
Makilis ko lang, kaya mo ito magkasaw. Dagtas na awang kayo hindi nagalasan pinabaro. Dawat ko lang kanya yung anak ko. Sa pena kumata at dali na ayat ito kong galmay sa sikaan na sisingkot ka na ako. Kaya kasamat na dawat ko nga hantay ko mga kapaba. Ano lang parbeyo itong galmay sa kanapay. At dati dali tinagangat yun. Dali din minang tinulong niyo. Kung nga niyo masurubat at dawat din nagkaglo ngayon. Ininan nyo. At iso kumaitin. Kung kayo pag-ibagan, ito problema nyo. At makasagarigan ka, nanyaman, itin kayo pagsusitan. At kaya itiragiin, kaya pinagigdamay. So, itinatulong nyo, itin kayo pinaawatan. Itin naman na susit kung gano'n sa kanya. At sapay na kumaanak ko. At ito yung kumangay, kami ipagbaga na i-advise ka nga yun. At dali na tumatapuso yun, ibawat na sa kanya. Sapay na kumata. Natigkar, iti tunggal ngay sa kayo. Iwala lang, itibawat ngay sa kanya yung anak ko. At nahan mga rakatay na pundasyon. Pwede lang po may garak-garak.
Thank you, Ram. Okay, man. Salamat kayo sa Carlo. Nang tang, sige tango na kayo. Rabat kayo chibaga. Wish kinipayo, lagi diyag kasal.
Carlo, kang Ana, understanding na give and take sa kabay ko.
Thank you. Yeah.
Carlo, Ana, panatilihin niyo ito makulit pinagtalit ko ng kunmaysa. Kaya nga nagagawa yan na kuhan. Panayon na magsisintod kayo. Hindi lang kumakamot. Ayan na kayo.
Thank you very much. Jadi good mark, nagajay ninong, nina kong friends and family. Muna tayo ito'y left side na. Namin kaya to wish kim payo, dyan ka sa
Kung ang aking Carlo, gusto pa naman ito. Basta mo, ako doon sa kantanayan na namitin ng sentro, relationship nyo, ang amin ng prayer, everything will follow. God bless you both. Kanayan kayo kumalata. Kaya kainiwakan. Bukas tayo. Magsakit tayo. God bless you both.
thank you.
Ana at Carlo, sabi ko matakilalo, talagang panaginayat ko masak ko. Sabi ko mata, naraling na maragsakit, may takder na paniglayin.
Thank you.
Carlo, dahil Ana, sabi ko mata mo, nag-review. Nung nag-review kayo, sabi ko mata mawin mo siya na santos. Ano ko yung layak yan? Tatlo, okay.
Yes, exactly.
Yung nagawa, at binigay kailain, paligay na nung napulot yung may isa, walang isip may isa, tatawan nga rumugurog ti apoy. Inobservati pa lang diyan, si Parig, hiwalay ti financing, kanya-kanyang pera.
Yes, ada pa eh. Jadi good eh. Okay, sama kayo. Ay, may father kaya. Oh.
Gurne anak ko. Anak ko Carlo. Sampai ko matatihan. Pati pa panungo niyo. Urong sa pagkatong kapatihan bitin niyo. Basit na tiririk kinukuhawan. There's no video.
Thank you all. Gawam sige man ang karga. Both hands. O tata, kayo kadua, Ana, Teresa, dapat na-prepare mong mabaws. Sige, basahin mo. From the heart, from the heart. Ibaga mo di asawa. Oo.
You, my ex-boyfriend, now my husband. I love you so much. And
Kung sa mo ito,
thank you for waiting me for almost 2 years. Naging grade pa. Then, at least po yung tumalititaan ko. Attitude ko. Thank you. And I will love you and I will stay for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish till death. As before, in the presence of God, I'll make this proud. From today onward, you and I will be one in heart, body, and mind. Let us build a home, a life, and a family from our bonds of true love, and our bonds to stick together through all life's challenges.
Thank you. Okay. O tataman Carlo, ano bakit mo ibaga to your wife? Ayun, very good. At least prepared, very good.
Anak, awag ang katatan ng asawa. Malibot na sa araw. Dito yung tinagpipigyan ko mga bawas. Naramit ko. Damangit lang mo. 2 years ago, you captured my heart by being exactly who you are. The sweetest, most loving, compassionate, and sensitive person I have ever known. you have been my very best friend through the good and the bad. You have been the reason that I smile every day, and you have given comfort beyond measure when I have cried. Umiyak talaga. You have believed in me when no one else would. And you have shown me how to love with passion, purity, and unconditional acceptance. I'm not sure a lifetime is long enough to return all you have given to me, but I promise the rest of my days I spend by your side. To laugh with you and cry with you, to believe in you and support you. In poverty, I promise to do everything to make our love rich, and in will to never let our love grow poor. Together we are better than we could ever hope to be alone, and today I give you my love, my trust, and my fidelity. Wherever you will always be the best part of my day.
Thank you. Sige, gawin kayo na. Go, thanks. By the virtue of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Bambangan, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Okay, ayaw nyo na. Kiss lang tayo. Okay? Sige ang picture. Ay, okay, sige. Papapicture na naman. Pirma naman, okay? Nagiging lang ako, witness kayo. While nagpipirma na diya, certificate of marriage. Yes. Apat. Pirma. friends and other family members.
Yes.
Okay, with the friends and family. Okay.
Auntie, may kan ang friends.
Family and friends.
Right side, right side. Family of the bride. Family of the bride.
Wala.
Sige na. Ano yung ano dyan? Dito to sa isa.
1, 2.
Family of the groom ako. May groom mat, may groom.